lamagama ngeke silwele kwashintsha but lamagama singalwela ukuthi understandeke ehle kahle kule group noma kule community letside like nje understand the Bible ukuthi ikhona phakathi Bible focus to the young people the language the translator ngayo by understand ama young people but it carries the same meaning lekufuna ukuthi the original text carries but lendlela lehla ngayo leligama kube indlela elula ukuthi understand labantu abanye so one just think lokuvele because translation is aqubeka isekhona ke process yakhe labantu laba phila with the challenge that with disabilities vele kuyadzinga ukuthi kube nendlela yokuthi le translation iba accommodate. I think that's very, very important. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Kuyadzinga ukuthi lama translations ethu sikhone ukuthi vele abe as accommodative as possible. Ngicabanga ukuthi kwengeta nje kulala ishobo umfundisi ngoba nami ngikhona la eBible Society. Yama great language again. That's why by basho